Hey, come here, hold on. Come here.
I got it.
Come here, look. Hold on, I'm gonna have an asthma attack in about 2 minutes. Y'all give a message to Mr. Locklear. Y'all know Zach and Ashley's dad.
Yeah.
I'm gonna post this up. We're gonna put this up on the computer so he can see it. So you guys want to give him a message real quick? Y'all want to tell him anything? Say hi to him.
Get more badges.
Give more badges.
Hi, dude. Badges. I like cheese. What kind of gun are you using? Be safe out there.
Y'all tell him hi. Tell him you miss him.
Hi. P.S. I like cheese. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I love cheese. What kind of gun are you using? Yeah.
Of course the boys ask that question, right?
Do you use grenades?
No, he doesn't use grenades.
Did he blow somebody's head off?